Hi, I'm Kevin with TravelScoot USA, and today we're going to be looking at one of our newest accessories, which is something that has been requested for many years, but we just weren't able to get these here in the United States. If you are on one of our Facebook groups, either Elizabeth's Travel Scoots page or the Travel Scoot Owners Club, this is something that many of the Australians have been getting for years and is very desirable. This is our premium sheepskin seat covers. We have these for the TravelScoot Deluxe seat cushion and also the Escape seat cushion. Now these are really great seats because what they do for you in the summertime especially, they are moisture wicking. So if you're sitting in your seat for long periods of time, if you're on some type of tour or just outdoors in general, you're going to be sweating a little bit. And so these seat covers are going to wick away that moisture. So very nice. And of course, it's going to provide much more padding to the original seat as is. One thing that is very important to note is that this is the newer version of the Deluxe seat cushion. So that means that these seat cushions are 15 inches in width. The older Deluxe seat cushions are 17 inches in width. So if you have to ask, just go grab a tape measure and measure the width. If it's 17 inches, it's the older ones, and those will not be compatible with these new seat cushions. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to show you how to install the seat cushions using the Escape seat cushion, and then go over a couple more things with you. All right, so here's a close-up look of the Escape seat cushion for the premium seat skins. As you can see, these are real sheepskins. They do an excellent job making these. It's pretty thick. And so you'll see that there's these two straps on each side. We're going to fit the seat in here and then strap them in. Pretty easy, but we're going to go over this just in case. First, we're going to take the seat cover and just put everything in the middle here. So grab the middle first, and then we're going to work it around the sides. You can be a little bit more rough with these. These are very high quality. A little bit of shedding is to be expected, but you can be tough with these. These are high quality. I'm going to move this down a little bit, and then just work your way around. Now you can tell that I have no seat plate on here. You can do this with the seat plate on there, no problem. All right. There we go. And again, just kind of make it as tight as possible. You can see this is a perfect fit. These are going to be off to the side a little bit, just like that. All right. So we saw what it looked like before. The Escape seat cushion is quite a bit thinner than the Deluxe seat cushion. But when you're done here, you've got, that looks so nice. You got so much more padding than before. Very comfortable, they feel great. Again, this is wonderful for when it's hot outside. A lot of people think that this is something that you would only want to use during the winter time when you need to stay warm. That is not the case. Again, these are very popular in Australia where it's quite hot. And so they use these all year round, and so can you. We have these up on the website right now. So go to TravelScootUSA.com and then go to the categories Accessorize, and you'll find these here. Thanks for watching, and happy scooting.